Hi, my name is Sid Marshall with Sushi Siddo Catering. Today we're at the kitchen of Convivial Catering, and this is how to make different tacos. First, we're going to start by making a ground beef taco. We're going to take our taco shell, add a little bit of our browned ground beef, then we'll add a little shredded lettuce, some diced tomato, a couple of black olives, and finish it off with a little cheese on top. And there is our beef taco. Next, we're going to do a grilled chicken taco. This is a chicken breast that I marinated with a little bit of red chili and cumin. And we'll add a little bit of cabbage. We'll do a little bit of tomatillo salsa, a few green onions, and then we'll top it off with a few tomatoes. Then another taco, we'll start with some grilled lobster. Chop it up. Put it in the shell. And this one we're going to do pico de gallo, the mango pico de gallo, a few black beans, and then we'll top it off with a little sour cream to finish. And this is how to make different types of tacos.